Welcome to our unboxing video of the day. Let's see what we have. It looks like Little Dinosaur. We have some foam masks. They come in pink and green, sold individually or as a 12-pack. Our Little Dinosaur standard pack, we target these towards baby showers or first birthday, but you can use them as you wish. They come with 2 packs of dinner plates, 2 packs of dessert plates, 1 pack of lunch napkins, and 2 packs of cups. We also have a dinosaur squirt gun, a pack of Little Dinosaur food picks. These are my favorite. They're actually Little Dinosaur Sports. They come in orange and green, super cute. These adorable hatching egg dinosaurs, so cute. Our Little Dinosaur DIY cupcake picks, they are do-it-yourself, so they come with all of the items that you need to assemble, including the instructions. Our Little Dinosaur table cover, and an inflatable dinosaur.